In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a sub page on your Wix website. The process is very straightforward and simple. It shouldn't even take 1 minute of your time. Okay, so once you're in the Wix editor of your Wix website, come to the left-hand panel here where it says menus and pages. Click on that and that's going to show you all your different pages. Now to create the sub page, you're going to have the page created already. So now if, for example, I want this games page to be underneath the home, it's very simple. All I need to do is drag it underneath home and you can see it created that line right there, meaning that it's now a sub page. And now you can see in the background it actually just changed. So that's pretty much the process of how you create a sub page in your Wix website. I will be doing another video on how to create a sub page within a sub page. So make sure you subscribe for that video. I'll link it in this video as a card if you want to watch that when it gets released. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.